just finished the speeches, and I think tonight's been a huge success. Shauna, thank you very much for a fantastic effort in organising a great night. It couldn't have gone better. As I said in the speech, the team has been fantastic. They're the reason why Integrity Real Estate has been the success that it's been. And with the clients and customers and friends that we've got, it can only get stronger.
It's a great turnout for Integrity, the brand. It's a great bunch of people that work within the brand, and obviously we've got a great bunch of clients that have come along to help us celebrate 10 years tonight, which is fantastic.
Thank you so much for coming, everybody, for this fantastic celebration of 10 years of Integrity Real Estate. It's just so wonderful to have the tradesmen here, to have all vendors here, to have people that we've been dealing with solicitors, all the rest of it. It's just fabulous.
The 10 years has been a lot of hard work for the guys that have been involved to get it to this point, and what's happened so far, I can only imagine what will happen in the next 10 years. So looking forward to lots of hard work, lots of fun times, lots of great people, and who knows where we'll be in 10 years, but we'll probably be back here celebrating bigger and better. So hopefully everyone will be able to join us then.